Let's do some science now, yeah, yeah, yeah. Kitchen pantry science, yeah, yeah.
I'm Liz Heineke, the Kitchen Pantry Scientist, and today I'm going to show you a fantastic experiment that combines science and art to make these incredible tie-dye-like t-shirts using the pigments in permanent markers. We call it permanent marker tie-dye. You'll just need a bunch of permanent markers like Sharpies, rubbing alcohol, which is poisonous, so adult supervision is recommended, rubber bands, plastic cups, eyedroppers, and the item you want to put your designs on. Cotton works best. So we have cotton t-shirts, we've done a baseball cap, and I have some cotton shorts here. All you're gonna do is figure out where you want your designs and put your cup under the cotton to make a flat surface. Here comes the science. Take your permanent marker and make a dime-sized spot, but you could do smaller or bigger dots. You can experiment with it. A bunch of dime-sized spots of permanent marker onto your cotton. Now, permanent markers contain pigments, which are molecules that give things color. These pigments and these compounds that they're in permanent markers can't dissolve in water. They're insoluble in water. That's why they don't wash off of things with water. But if you add the right kind of chemical to them, called a solvent, they will dissolve into the liquid. And rubbing alcohol, or isopropanol, is a solvent for permanent markers, so it will dissolve the chemical compounds and the pigments will be released so they can move around. So we are going to, I've made a bunch of dots of color in a different spot on these shorts. We are going to drip, and this is what you should do at home, drip rubbing alcohol onto the permanent marker to see what happens. Now I'm going to hold this up so you can watch as the rubbing alcohol, which is our solvent, dissolves the permanent marker, right? And as it dissolves it, the pigments then can move with the alcohol into the cloth. Bigger molecules move more slowly, smaller molecules move faster. So if you have a color like green that contains blue and yellow, you might see it separating out into its separate color components. So it's really fun to experiment. Try different shapes, try lines, try different colors, try combining colors to see if you can get cool separation. But ultimately, let it dry completely because the alcohol is flammable until it's dry. Let it dry completely, put it in the dryer, and you will have a wearable science project. Try it, have fun.
Let's do some science.